Check out this 2027 Supra R245 with 5 hours on the Indmar Raptor 450 engine for sale by Germaine Marine in Mesa, Arizona. Contact Germaine Marine for pricing and details. Link in the description. This R245 comes equipped with Vision Control's 12-inch touchscreen, the Swell Surf System for customizable waves, and a premium DSD audio setup with 17 speakers across 5 zones. You're getting increased ballast capacity, integrated transom seating, a power folding tower, and smart storage solutions throughout. Everything you need for serious water sports right out of the box. If you're in the market for an inboard wake, surf, or ski boat, there's only one place to go: OnlyInboards.com.